everybody, and welcome to Level 2 Juggling! Oh yeah! We're going to be doing columns with 2 balls, like this. Up, straight up. Yes. Try and get them the same height, up and down. If that gets nice and easy, the second challenge is add a clap. Woo. Excellent, that's called column. Next up, we're going to do a thing called a shower. Sometimes, like how people juggle before they even think they can juggle, they juggle like this. This is called a shower. So, right hand and left hand. Shower! Talking about showers, monkey juggling. Under both armpits. Drop one, drop the other, across your body. Stinky. Do it slow to start with. And then pick up. Monkey juggling. Now we're going to move on to the Cascade. Now, this is the basis for juggling 3 balls. So, you imagine a rectangle like this. We're going to go in one corner and the other corner. X marks the spot. First up, just drop them. 1, 2. Yes. Easy. Everyone should be able to do that. Try and catch the second ball. 1, 2, catch. Alright? Now try and catch both balls. Ready? So, 1, 2, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Alternate which hand you start. Left, right. That is the Cascade. 1, 2, that's where the third ball goes. We'll come to that later. Go! Grab yourself a club. Yeah! Go clubbing. If you haven't got a club, you could use some rolled up newspaper or some kind of tube-like thing. We're just simply going to throw from one hand to t'other, like that. Very nice. It spins. You can practice throwing it with one hand. When you have this club, perhaps you can try some other things, such as bounces like you did with the ball. Oh, oh!